Tatapakan mo lang yung tip na arrow sir doon sa may
On deck is our SPAG President for Luzon, Ustad Kama. Take it away.
Aiming to the Chinese army.
This target is 500 meters.
yung pinaka-dulo niya sir, yung pinaka-hit na yun, lalagay mo dun sa gitna ng
Tama. The gentleman from Basilan, Ustad Kamar. Okay, tama. Ha. Okay, tama. Oh. Tama na naman.
Tama, lang taga Basilan na.
Oo. From Basilan City. From the... Alright. Oh, tama na naman.
Pupusin ko na isang magasin dito.
Wow. Oh, yun. Alright. Nakuha na niya yung slack eh. Alright. Okay. Mashallah. Alhamdulillah.
Isa lang failure.
Oh.
Tama lang.